show us what you're made of. Do it for us, girls. Put more guts into it, girl.
Points in the instant smoke department, but he's doing pretty damn good in the lots of smoke department. Starting to fill up the Barbagallo greenhouse pad with smoke. There he is.
I can't see it.
The greenhouse driver will do the best that he can to try and stay ahead of the smoke. Look at where he needs to place the car. Does that for two good reasons. It's very hard for a judge to score what they can't see, and also makes for great photos. 60 seconds up for Mr. Holden Commodore. There is so much smoke out there though, he probably can't see all the flashing lights, but one tyre's gone. And he's decided, well, that's all I need to do for practice.